Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you I think what it is bush beans. I don't know why, because I put this in the winter time. And as you can see, it's black, so I don't know if I can't find no magic marker marking. But this one in this corner, I think that's a pepper. And there's another one, let me see if I could find it, right there. Right there, I think that's another pepper coming out. So, let's see what this is. Bush beans are like pigeon peas. We grow what they call gandules. It's a big tree up high, higher than my house. And then right there, it gives a lot of peas, you know. But if these are smaller and I could still get the same peas, hey, I'd rather have this one. Because I could use the space for other things, you know. So, let's see what happens with this one. Let's see if it grows pigeon peas and peppers and God knows what else. Because I don't remember what I put in here, but I put a lot of them. So I go for pigeon peas. I think that's what I did, but the future will tell. So God bless you all. Until next time, bye.